Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up an appointment with CVS online. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead up a vaccination appointment or some sort of flu shot appointment. How do you actually go ahead and set up an appointment with CVS online? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But first, you want to go ahead and log on to CVS, and this is what your homepage should look like. Next, you can either schedule a vaccination appointment or a minute clinic appointment. So for our example, we're just going to schedule a vaccination appointment. Now, once you click on this option here, you can either schedule it for yourself or add someone else. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add someone else and I'm going to fill out my information and click on add. Now, next you want to click on add vaccines. So we can add these two vaccines, then click on add vaccines and then click on next. And then from here, you can check hepatitis B or click on next. And then you could also do, have you received a COVID-19 vaccine? Click on no. And so from here, you can have your preference for a COVID-19 vaccine or click on no preference. And then from here, you can enter your zip code and then you could also enter when and the date and sort by the nearest or first available appointment. So go ahead and click on the time that works best for you. And there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and set up an appointment with CVS online. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.